Number 1. 1987 Dodge W250 regular cab long bed 4x4, $6,500, Quincy, Michigan. This 1987 Dodge W250 is a solid square body era work truck with desirable four-wheel drive capability and very low reported mileage at 38,336 miles. Powered by a healthy engine and automatic transmission, it appears to be a dependable foundation for either restoration or regular utility use. The clean brown interior is a major plus, while the primer exterior gives the next owner a blank canvas for paint customization. Older Dodge trucks from the 1980s are becoming increasingly collectible because of their rugged construction and simple mechanical design. Although it needs paint, floor pan repair, and running light work, the truck's strong drivetrain and included extra bed make it an appealing classic project. Number 2. 1972 Ford F100, $9,000, Battle Creek, Michigan. This 1972 Ford F100 is a very honest and well-sorted classic pickup, powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The owner recently completed extensive maintenance, including brakes, clutch, shocks, fluids, and tires, making this truck roadworthy and dependable. The added 1967 grille gives it a slightly custom vintage appearance while still preserving classic Ford styling. These final generation bump side Ford trucks are highly respected for their durability and simple design. Aside from needing exhaust and rear brake attention, this appears to be a strong driver quality classic with excellent usability. Number 3. 1967 3/4 ton pickup, $12,999, Foothills, Arizona. This 1967 GMC 3/4 ton pickup has been heavily upgraded mechanically, making it far more capable than a typical stock truck of the era. The rebuilt Generation 6 454 cubic inch V8 and rebuilt Turbo 350 automatic transmission with less than 100 miles provide substantial power and reliability. Modern upgrades such as 4-wheel disc brakes, rebuilt suspension, power steering, new wiring, and dual exhaust significantly improve drivability. The refreshed interior and recently painted body give it a strong street truck presence while still leaving room for cosmetic refinement. This GMC is an excellent blend of vintage styling and modernized mechanical performance. Number 4. 1969 Chevrolet C10 short wheelbase, $15,000, Fort Riley, Kansas. The 1969 Chevrolet C10 short wheelbase remains one of the most sought-after classic trucks in the American market, and this example offers an attractive mix of originality and upgrades. Powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, the truck delivers strong performance and dependable cruising ability. Features such as power steering, disc brakes, dual exhaust, and headers make it enjoyable to drive in modern traffic. The silver gray metallic paint and chrome wheels enhance the classic body lines beautifully. Rust-free shortbed C10 trucks continue to climb in value, making this a very desirable collector truck. Number 5. 1972 Chevrolet C30 Cheyenne Super, $11,000, Lemon Grove, California. This 1972 Chevrolet C30 Cheyenne Super is a heavy-duty classic pickup with strong family history and vintage utility appeal. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, the truck reportedly runs very well and maintains its original work truck personality. The Cheyenne Super trim package added upgraded comfort and appearance features, making it more refined than standard Chevrolet trucks of the era. Long wheelbase one-ton trucks are increasingly appreciated for their imposing stance and towing capability. This example appears to be an honest survivor that would fit well in either a working collection or classic truck lineup. Number 6. 1970 Ford F100 4x4 shortbed, $12,500, Camp Verde, Arizona. This 1970 Ford F100 shortbed four-wheel drive pickup is powered by the legendary 300 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring granny low gearing. Known for exceptional durability and torque, the inline six is one of Ford's most respected truck engines. The truck benefits from many recent upgrades, including brakes, tires, paint, carburetor, carpet, starter, and seat cover. Its mostly original presentation and attractive short bed configuration add collector appeal. Classic Ford four-wheel drive trucks from this era are becoming increasingly hard to find in usable condition. Number 7. 1956 Chevrolet 3100 step-side pickup, $19,000, Omaha, Nebraska. This 1956 Chevrolet 3100 step-side pickup combines classic patina styling with upgraded drivability. The truck features a refreshed Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, allowing it to comfortably cruise at highway speeds while retaining its vintage personality. The oak wood bed floor, tonneau cover, and naturally aged exterior create an authentic old-school appearance many collectors now prefer over restored finishes. The mostly stock interior and functioning gauges preserve the truck's original character. Minor rust repairs may eventually be needed, but overall, this is a charming and highly usable classic Chevrolet pickup. Number 8. 1952 Ford F100, $20,000, Marshalltown, Iowa. This 1952 Ford F100 is an appealing two-owner survivor that retains its original six-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission. With only 60,000 miles reported, the truck appears to have been carefully preserved over the decades. Early Ford F-Series pickups are highly admired for their rounded post-war styling and durable construction. Finished in green with a clean, classic appearance, this truck offers strong originality and simplicity that collectors appreciate. Its ability to still run and drive adds significant value for enthusiasts seeking a genuine vintage driving experience. Number 9. 1951 Ford F6 Deluxe Cab Dump Truck, $19,500, Portage, Wisconsin. This 1951 Ford F6 Deluxe Cab Dump Truck represents a rare and beautifully restored piece of American commercial truck history. Powered by the original 39 cubic inch flathead V8 and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and 2-speed rear axle, it maintains authentic period-correct mechanicals. The extensive restoration included mechanical, electrical, chrome, glass, and interior refurbishment, all documented with records and photos. Heavy-duty Ford trucks from the early 1950s are increasingly rare in this condition. This truck would stand out at vintage truck shows or in a serious collection of classic utility vehicles. Number 10. 1954 Chevrolet Super Deluxe pickup, $16,500, Eugene, Oregon. This 1954 Chevrolet Super Deluxe pickup is a remarkably original single-family owned truck that spent its life in California, helping preserve its rust-free condition. Powered by the original 235 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it retains the dependable simplicity Chevrolet trucks were known for during the 1950s. The original 6-volt electrical system further enhances its authenticity. Although the odometer has rolled over, the truck remains a strong restoration candidate with excellent originality. Vintage Chevrolet advanced design trucks continue to enjoy strong collector interest thanks to their timeless styling. Number 11, 1963 Ford F100, $15,000, Plover, Wisconsin. This 1963 Ford F100 blends classic unibody-era styling with practical performance upgrades. Under the hood is a 351 Windsor V8 paired with a durable C6 automatic transmission, providing far more power and drivability than the original setup. Front disc brakes, new tires, and an aluminum radiator improve both safety and reliability for regular cruising. The custom paint and upgraded drivetrain give the truck a clean, Ristamod feel, while still preserving its vintage Ford personality. Early 1960s F100 models remain highly desirable among classic truck enthusiasts. Number 12, 1965 Chevrolet Custom Short Flatbed Pickup, $18,500, Sonora, California. This 1965 Chevrolet Custom Short Flatbed Pickup combines classic truck styling with several desirable modern upgrades. Powered by a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 and a 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth, highway-friendly performance. Features such as factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, tilt steering wheel, and front disc brakes greatly improve comfort and drivability. The custom diamond plate flatbed adds a unique appearance while maintaining practical utility. With a straight, rust-free body and clean presentation, this Chevrolet is a very attractive custom cruiser. Number 13, 1971 Ford F250 Ranger Highboy 4x4 tow truck, $20,000, Missoula, Montana. This 1971 Ford F250 Ranger Highboy tow truck is an exceptionally rare and highly collectible four-wheel drive classic. Highboy models are already sought after because of their elevated stance and rugged drivetrain setup, but the addition of factory-style tow equipment makes this truck especially unique. The manual transmission and four-wheel drive system reinforce its heavy-duty heritage and off-road capability. Finished in bright orange, the truck has strong visual presence and vintage utility appeal. Rare specialty Ford trucks like this continue to attract serious collector attention nationwide. Number 14, 1970 GMC regular cab long bed 3/4 ton pickup 2-wheel drive, $17,974, Tyler, Texas. This 1970 GMC 3/4 ton pickup is a strong example of a classic American work truck from the golden era of heavy-duty pickups. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and backed by a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers dependable old-school performance and mechanical simplicity. Features such as trailer towing mirrors, heavy-duty rear bumper, alloy wheels, and toolbox highlight its practical utility background. The long bed configuration and solid green exterior give the truck an authentic vintage work truck appearance. These GMC heavy-duty pickups are appreciated for their durability and rugged styling, especially among collectors who value usable classics.